Welcome student to Omega classes. Today we are going to discuss about the various discoveries to the past to the future. So let's start with the Archimedes principle. It is the oldest discovery discovered by the Archimedes, one of the greatest scientists of the past. So here Archimedes principle here tells that any object which is immersed in the liquid, any object which is immersed in the liquid, say it is some solid objects that get dipped in the liquid, कोई सॉलिड है जो पानी में या किसी भी लिक्विड में जा रहा है, सो इट एक्सपीरियंस अ फोर्स ऑफ अ बायोंट. ये एक तरह का फोर्स, इट इज बायोंट फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस बाय एन ऑब्जेक्ट, and this object's weight is equivalent to the water displaced. What is water? Is when you dip any solid in the liquid, some water is get raised the levels of the water. So this type of the raisement of the water is equal to the weight of the solid dipped. So this was the Archimedes principle. What is the principle behind it? Its application was to calculate the volume of the object. It was a very crucial, very important discoveries of that time, which governed that the volume of object that is dipped in the liquid is get exactly equal to the object shape and size. Okay, so सबसे जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो फेनोमेना था कि उसका वॉल्यूम जो है वो उसका रेगुलर शेप का आसानी से निकाला जा सकता था, इरेगुलर शेप का निकाला जा सकता. नेक्स्ट वन इज एप्लीकेशन हियर. नाउ ये एप्लीकेशन जो नेक्स्ट था आपका, डेट वाज डेंसिटी that is going to dip in the liquid is always equal to the water displaced. So exactly it is used to calculate, it is used to measure the pureness of the object. Any object which are pure or not is can be checked by the Archimedes principle. Okay, so this was the greatest invention of that time. Think that time was the around 500 BC at most that Archimedes gives this type of the. Again, the next is it was given by any scientist, that is heliocentrism. It is the type of the theory which governed that the astronomical model in which Earth and the planet revolved around the sun. Earlier time, it is assumed that it is supposed to be all the planets, including sun, revolve around the Earth. But after heliocentric, it is came out that heliocentric is the astronomical model in which Earth and all the planets revolve around the sun at the center of the universe. So this was the important milestone towards the understanding the various concepts of the universe, the various motion of the celestial bodies, etc., the pattern of the solar system, etc. So this is called heliocentrism. Next one is that is Kepler's law of planet. Very important for Newton, Galileo, and that type of the scientist. That is Kepler's law of planetary motion state that all the planetary motion of the planet revolve around the sun is a elliptical path. Okay, so this type of the path was governed by the Kepler's law. So this was Johannes Kepler in 1609 to 1619. Then after it Newton came and it gave the various forces. Now the next one is inertia. So inertia is the resisting property of the object. It states that any object which is at the rest or it is in the motion is remain at motion of the rest unless an external force does not act on them. जो भी फोर्स है जब तक बाहरी बल ना हो जा सकता उसके अंदर कोई बदलाव होने वाला नहीं. दैट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड इनर्शिया. It is given by one of the greatest scientists, that is Galilei. So this was the important discoveries. This was the important discovery that was given by Galileo. So in the first part we have understood the various concepts of the discoveries of the past. Now in the second part we will continue to the next. So thank you. Bye bye.